What is up, lady boys? We're back out here. Picked up another bike. It's a RMZ 450 2019. Guy said it only has 10 hours on it, so we definitely believe him. Get a closer shot of this. You can tell 10 hours of drunk driving, no cap. Check out these sprockets. Solid 10 hours on this thing. But it runs. It's a 450. Forks need to be cleaned out or seals replaced. New chain, sprockets, new rear tire. The rear fender's kind of shot, but I'm not sure if we're gonna replace it. I can get you guys a little sound clip of it running. Cold start. I want to hear it. It runs like a Sierra 110, but it ain't a bad bike. He said his buddy wrecked it while drunk, but we just picked it up $3,500, which is not a bad deal. Title, all paperwork in hand, so we're good to go. Not a stolen bike. And yeah, if you guys want to see us rebuild this, keep watching, and we're gonna bring it home in about 30 seconds. Alrighty guys, so it's the next day. We got the bike home. I was riding around a little yesterday. This thing is stupid fast. It is scary to ride, even with a bald rear tire. Not really bald, but it's pretty low. I'm probably gonna end up throwing a new one on there. I'm not sure, or I'll just throw a couple hundred or like $100 off what I was expecting to get out of it, just so that I can do that, because I don't really have time. But what we're gonna do is swap the handlebars out right now. If you look, this side is lower than this side, even with the angle, and that is because when he wrecked, you can see right here, huge chip in the bottom of the handlebars. He ate it pretty bad. But I have a new set. Well, I had some just sitting in the basement, and these are fat bars on the bottom, so it should fit perfectly fine. So that's the goal. Throw these on. All I really need is an 8mm. Get throttle assembly off, all of that, and should be good to go. So yeah, let's swap these bars out real quick. I'm not sure if I can get a video. I might try to, but no promises. Alrighty, so we got the new bars, put new grips on it, all that good stuff. Everything's straight now. Looks pretty good. That throttle side was a pain in the butt because Suzuki decides to glue them on, so you have to rip all the rubber right off for the grips. But here's a little before and after. This is the before. You can see very crusty. Everything is dirty on the frame. Sprockets are dirty, wheels are dirty. Frame has some oxidation and all that junk on there. But what we're gonna use is some aluminum brightener. If you don't use this already, I'd suggest to use it. It will clean this thing up. This motor should look brand new. You can see all that junk around there. Motor's gonna look a whole lot better. Frame's gonna look a lot cleaner. Cleans all that all the spots on your brake calipers. That way you don't have to use like a Scotch-Brite pad or some wire wheel to clean it up. It'll just clean it up right for you. Make it look brand new. So yeah, here's the before and after on the bike. Thing looks mint. You can see that aluminum brightener working its magic. It's gonna clean up this cylinder nice and crispy. Alrighty guys, so we did finish washing the bike. Everything is back in minty. You can look at that motor. Pretty clean. A lot cleaner than whenever I had it. Chain is a little rusty, stuff like that, but it's nothing serious. Wheels turned out exceptionally clean. Nothing serious. It's a nice bike. Video's probably not long enough to really classify. Forks, all they have to do is be cleaned out. I don't have to get fork seals for it. So the bike, I'll probably change the oil tomorrow, do some stuff like that, lube up the chain, make sure everything's nice and mint on it. Right now we actually have a delivery coming in a few minutes for a 2018 Honda 250R. Same like this, but a little bit different. Doesn't have the blacked out wheels with red hubs and all that stuff, but it'll be pretty much the same. So that should be pretty cool. We're gonna see. We still got my 125 back there. I've been just saving up to get a new truck. Looking like I'm probably gonna end up driving an F250, 6.7 power stroke. 17 and up, the newest generation. So we'll see. I'll get you guys, I'll keep y'all updated as soon as this 250R pulls into the driveway. And yeah, guy's driving pretty far, pretty much other side of North Carolina. So it's a solid 4-hour drive, plus he got some traffic. So he's looking right about like 6 hours of driving one way. But you can see motor is mint on this thing. Threw new grips on there. Everything's nice and smooth. All the plastics nice and shiny, clean them up. So probably list this bike up tomorrow. Already got the pictures. And let's get this Honda. We're gonna transform the Honda, and I guess we'll just do 2 bikes in one. Why not? Alrighty, here she is. 2018 Honda 250R. Not bad, not bad. Looks pretty good. It's pretty clean-ish. It's got a good bit of hours on it. You can see that clutch side. Pretty dirty. The bike in general is pretty dirty. Plastics aren't clean or nothing, but it's fine. I'm not running these plastics. He gave me another set right over there. Some red ones with nicer graphics on it and stock. And then we also got a Yoshimura full exhaust for it, RS9. So yeah, let's wake up in the morning, take off these plastics, wash the bike up, make it super duper nice. Might put a new seat cover on it. I got this one right here. Might look better. I'm not sure though. We'll see. Wish he had a stock one, but he doesn't, so it's fine. Might just run black and red with the red plastics, stock gas tank shrouds, stuff like that. But yeah, not a bad bike at all. Got it for a good deal. We're gonna work on it, make it a little nicer, and hopefully make some profit on it. RMZ's looking fresh. Hopefully that'll be gone like in the next few days. I'll catch y'all in the morning. Alrighty guys, so here she is. She is pretty, it's a nice bike, but I don't like the graphics or the plastic choices on it. So we're gonna change that out. You can see right here, 2018 250R. Forks are set for my weight. So nothing's gonna have to be redone, but I'm probably not gonna ride this thing much, so it doesn't really matter. Anyways, that's the guy who rebuilt the motor. If anybody knows him, we're gonna see if it holds up. And yeah, you can see all the wheels and all stupidly crusty. We'll clean all that out though. Make sure this thing is in tip-top shape. But yeah, and might take off these fork guards. Hopefully it didn't eat up the frame under it. So we're about to find out on that. And we're gonna pull off the graphics right now. So stay tuned. Alrighty, so we got the new plastics on there. Not new ones, but second set. Those didn't look as good as these. So pretty much, what we're gonna do now is probably take off some of these, everything looks brand new under here. So we're gonna take it off. It has his name on it and stuff. I don't know if he wants somebody else to ride with his name on. So what we're gonna do is yank these graphics right off. They come off pretty easily. They've been in the sun. They look in pretty good shape. OEM graphics. And looks a little better. So yeah, let's take them all off. Alrighty guys, so what we're gonna do right now, you can see frame, motor, everything's pretty crusty on this thing. The wheels, not the best looking. This side frame needs to be cleaned up a good bit, hit with a Scotch-Brite, because they had that cover that goes over it, the frame protector, but it doesn't protect nothing. So what we're gonna do right now is give it a nice wash, hit it with some aluminum brightener, and this thing should be looking closer to brand new. Alrighty guys, well, that was kind of like a span of 24-ish hours on a day in the life of what flipping dirt bikes look like for me. Turned out a lot cleaner on this bike. Still not completely finished. Gonna put probably the other seat cover on, stuff like that. But it's got brand new plastics are brand new under the graphics, so that's all good. And yeah, both of them are ready to sell. Yeah, two good looking bikes. We got a couple more. Just focusing on flipping bikes right now, not really going super crazy on building anything because I'm trying to get a new truck. So yeah, thanks for watching this video. If you guys liked it, like and subscribe. Comment down below what other bikes you guys want to see on the channel, and peace.